Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll be walking through the hands-on challenge for the spring of 2023 Salesforce Admin Certification Maintenance. Wow, what a mouthful, but let's get into it. Our challenge is to create a custom case record page using dynamic forms. To do so, head to the setup page in Salesforce and type in App Builder. Select the Lightning App Builder and then select New. Select the Record Page option, then select Next. Name the page Enhanced Case Layout. Select the case option from the drop-down and then select Next. Select the Clone the Salesforce Default Page tab and select the Case Grouped View Default option before clicking Finish. From the new record page, click into the Detail section and locate the text on the top right of the screen. Click the Upgrade Now button to enable dynamic forms. Click Next one more time here, then select the page layout to grab the section information and select Finish. Find and click into the Additional Information section here, and then on the right side, click the Add Filter button. Find the priority field and select the equals operator and then high as a value. After clicking Done, navigate to the top right and click Save. A pop-up will appear for you to now activate your layout. Click Activate to do so. You should then get another pop-up asking you to assign it as the org default. For this exercise, click the button to do so. Select Desktop and Mobile, then Next. Lastly, click Save. Now that everything has been set up, let's go back to our Trailhead module and click the green Check Challenge button. And we did it. We passed the Admin Certification Maintenance, Spring 23 module, by learning how to create a dynamic form as well as a new badge in Trailhead. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please leave a like and consider subscribing. Also, feel free to leave any questions you have in the comments below. Thanks.